What the Hales you doing?
What's up?
What's up, gentlemen?
Mr. Bolo.
Oh, you guys haven't gone through all your banana boxes yet?
No.
Oh, really?
These are like boxes for days.
I'm telling
you. Months. Even.
I haven't gone through all mine either, so just to let you. Hey, everybody out there. How we doing today? Robert Zabo, Second Sense Auctions. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? And in this business, I get to see all kind of things and go all kind of places, not just storage lockers. I get to go to houses in the States, but I also do businesses. And today I'm going to be at a salon and spa, and we're going to see what's inside there. Who knows? But I've sold everything from music stores to hardware stores, all kind of different businesses, construction companies. So just take a look, watch. You'll never know what you're going to see at secondsense.com. All right. We'll see what's in this salon. So we're coming up on this, looks like the spot right here. I'm assuming this is the place. 7537. All right. The vending machine. Take some little vacuums for the salon.
I don't think he knows exactly yet, but he's always looking at all the time. Super like clean, modern, neutral color.
Like grays, blues, or more like warm earthy?
No, yeah, I would say they're closer to the gray turquoise.
Okay, that's good, because I need it. We're trying to find you like, did you go by Robert?
Yes.
Did you meet Chase?
I'm not Chase, he came in. I have
No,
not.
this is Jenny.
Jenny, Robert.
Yeah.
Pleasure to meet you.
You too. This is something we're going to share. Yeah, we did talk. Did he tag these? Why is this tag?
Two. Salon tables. Holy smokes. Looks like a spray booth for spray tans. All kind of little stuff. Here's the dark solution. I can get a good tan going, huh, people? Holy smoke. Every type of hair dye. Wow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Couches, table. Chairs. This place is big. Just keeps going. How many square feet is this building? Holy smokes. How you doing, Robert?
Megan.
Hey, Megan, nice to meet you. This building's huge.
These front desks too.
This building is huge.
Yeah.
I probably missed something. I gotta walk around one more time to make sure. Because I thought I went to every nook and cranny, but then I keep finding more spots.
Yeah. I don't think it goes much in there. I don't think it does anything there.
Yeah, these things up here. It looks like music for the music, right?
Yeah.
This stuff we'd probably put in one lot, like an office lot. And not too much in this room. So, whatever we could figure on that. But we'll work.
Yeah.
Lots of land here, lots of commercial stuff. You just don't know what you're gonna find. Oh, I haven't been in here yet. Massage tables. 2 massage tables in here. Huh. Yep, I haven't been to any of these places back here. Oh my gosh, it just keeps going. This place is.
I know, it's like it never ends.
I thought I was done, and then I was like, I better walk around one more time, and I didn't even see this area back here. So yeah, at least this one's in the best shape.
Yeah.
If someone wants to take
Oh,
it, but
we're gonna I think we tagged that.
yeah, I don't. Like I said, whatever is here, if it has the yellow tag on it, I won't catalog it.
Okay.
So basically, what we would do, if you want us to come in. Hey everybody, guess what? Not only did I get to go to the salon and spa today, I got the Bearded Wonder with me, and we got to go out and visit What the Hales. So we're going to go check it out. Let's go see what they're up to. And we're at their wonderful warehouse over here in Worcester, Ohio. It's about an hour drive from our warehouse, so it took us a little bit to get down here, but me and the Bearded Wonder, we're going to see what's going on at the Hales. What the Hales you doing? What's up, gentlemen? Is this paradise or what? Yeah, you guys took care of me now.
Ready?
You forced me into into the YouTube Wonderland.
Is there a life storage auction tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Where's it start?
I'm not sure yet, but I will let you know as soon as I get the. It will be tonight from Tom.
Tom.
Yeah, he'll send the thing.
Okay.
You're on the list, right?
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. Wait, hold on.
What's going on here?
Hey,
Oh,
hey,
oh.
I'm Josh.
Hey, Josh. I'm Josh too.
Nice to
How
meet
are
you, Josh.
Josh. Oh my gosh. Oh my Josh.
Oh my Josh. Who's Josh and you?
So is this some of your treasures?
Yeah, we went to Mount Gilead last night. Didn't score really good.
This is the sorting area.
This is sorted.
And so what, scrap and stuff? And
That's scrap, and then everything goes up in lines, and then one takes it, she puts it where it goes. Yep. Those are my $1,000 rocks over there.
nice. $1,000, huh? It's $1,000 out.
You can never have rocks that are too expensive.
This will be, I brought my with the Hales.
Oh, that's game over.
He served in Afghanistan.
Wow.
That was their last name.
I know.
Wow.
He served in Afghanistan.
Wow.
Wait, is he one of the guys from that was in the movie?
A lot of movie stars, you know.
Well, that was too weird.
We both looked over the same.
Oh man, that was too weird.
What? Huh?
I'm seeing double.
Hey, look. They made embroidered T-shirts
For everyone that served.
for everyone that served.
That was
Yeah,
a great victory
absolutely.
for
I
them.
found all the details on that 8-pound playing card.
Oh, did you? What was it?
So I asked a lot
Behind
of
the
Josh,
scenes.
who was in the army, and he said it's pretty much their. His name's Josh. We have more than Josh Morning
Was that 99 or
56.
because it looks like Mr. Bowood Winkle.
Oh, you guys haven't gone through all your banana boxes yet?
No.
Oh, really?
These are like boxes for days.
I'm telling
Literally, months. Even.
I haven't gone through all mine either, so just to let you know.
Was yours filled with banana boxes?
Oh yeah, we had a bunch. Not as many as you.
And here is the warehouse.
Oh,
There's
oh
Mr.
my gosh, that
Bullwinkle.
thing's
Isn't
huge.
it massive?
You got that out of a unit, right?
Yeah. We call this the moose unit.
Holy smoke. Did you see it in the unit when you bought it?
Oh yeah,
How much was the unit?
2,200.
I was gonna say. I mean, just that moose head's gotta be worth
Yeah.
probably about $1,000.
Three.
Three?
Yeah. But at one point he was for sale, and now he's not. Someone made us an offer of 1,500, but then never came through.
Wow.
So then we decided he's not for sale.
How long you guys been in this warehouse?
April would have been a year.
So what you used to do out before that? Garages and stuff?
Yeah.
Holy.
His neighbor, it was a vacant home, so the owner would let him use their double garage, and then he had his garage, and then he's got a huge basement.
Is that just boxes or all pictures?
So that's from a movie store that went out of business.
Oh, that's that one, RoboCop 3 I see right there.
Yeah, so there's a ton of standees and posters and,
That's the one that Suburban Bear was so excited about.
yes.
Because he says he loves movie posters.
So this entire section is dedicated for him to list on my eBay.
Nice.
So everything back here is eBay.
This is the eBay section?
Yeah, this is the eBay section. And then the middle section is open to the public when we do open to the public or by appointment only.
How often do you do those?
In the warmer months, every Thursday, Friday, Saturday, our warehouse manager will open up the warehouse for the public. So all of this right here is for the public. This row is for the public.
Yeah, I
And
just,
then back here is more eBay stuff.
yeah, I just booked a salon and spa today. They're selling everything inside there. The
Oh,
people
nice.
just moved. There's like 3 or 4 of those massaging chairs you put your feet in, the water, and the whole chair massages your back.
And
Like-
it's got the water.
Yeah, it's it's like you put your feet in them, like if you
Yeah.
were at a spa
Yeah.
for getting your putty done or whatever else, and then it has a massage chair. I figure those things got to be worth some money a piece.
Yeah, we
There's
were
a
looking
spray
at
tan
getting
booth.
one for Jeremy's place. They run anywhere from like 2,500 to $3,000.
One time I had the one unit had the massage chair in it, and I didn't buy it. I didn't see it. So open to the public. Oh, I see everything's priced too, huh? No. How you doing? Let's go meet Gwen. I'll take off. All right, Josh thinks he's American Ninja Warrior. He's gonna warp all this. You could have sneakers on all day, dude. You ain't doing it. Nope, nope.
Sneakers. I got boots. They don't work right.
Oh, yeah, yeah.